making distinguishing the young from the parents possible, even when they are the same height. The sexes look alike. Sizes vary among the different subspecies. The typical height of these birds is around 80 to 136 centimeters to 7 in to 4 feet 6 in. Their wing chords are typically 41.8 minus 60.0 cm 16, 5 minus 23.6 in. Tails are 10.0 minus 26.4 cm 3, 9 10, 4 in. The exposed culmens are 6.9 minus 16 cm 2, 7 minus 6.3 in long, and the tarsi measure 15.5 minus 26.6 cm 6, 110, 5 in. Wingspan is 200 centimeters 78, 7 in.